Hi, today we're going to work on lesson 8-3 in the math book. It starts on page 461. Now, yesterday's lesson we were working with groups of 10. Today we're going to continue working with groups of 10 with some leftover ones. So we're just building on that a little bit more. It says Tara has 34 cubes. How many groups of 10 can she make with the cubes? Show your work in the space below. Then fill in the blanks. So I'm going to draw 34 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Woo, that's a lot. So now I want them in groups of 10. So I purposely drew them in rows of 10. So here's 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Can I circle this one? No, I don't have 10 of them. So I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 left over for that 34. All right, let's look on page 462. And it says count 23 cubes. How many groups of 10 are there? How many are left? You can make the groups of 10. So there's 2 groups of 10, and then there are 3 left over. So 23 has 2 groups of 10 and 3 left over. So number 1, circle the groups of 10, write the numbers. So they've circled 1 group, 2 groups of 10, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. So our number is 27. 2 10s, 7 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So every 2 rows is going to be a group of 10. Kind of going fast through here. All right. So there we have our 3 groups of 10. And how many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many do we have? 39. All right, let's look now on page 463. Again, we're grouping the 10s and then finding out how many are left over. So go ahead and do page 463 and then turn the video back on and we'll check your answers. All right, since you've already found the answers, I'm going to do this very quickly. I'm going to circle my groups of 10. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10, and 1, 2, 3 left over for the number 43. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. Number 4, there's 1, 2, 3 groups of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over for 35. Number 5, we have 1 group of 10. That's it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left over for the number 16. All right, number 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left over for the number 48. All right, how you doing with your answers? It says write the number of groups of 10 and the number of ones. Then write the total. 1, 2 groups of 10 and 5 left over. Those are 5 ones for 25. 1, 2 groups of 10 and 2 left over, 22. All right, let's look on page 464. It says a monkey has 32 bananas. 10 bananas are in each bunch. It says draw a picture and write the number. So 32. So we're going to count by 10. 10, 20, 30. Now, if I draw another one, that'll be 40. That'll be too many. So 30, and then I'm going to have 31, 32. So there are 3 bunches of bananas, 3 10s, and 2 left over. Number 10, the dogs have 21 bones. 10 bones are in each bowl. So let's see, we have 10, 20, I can't do another one, that'll be 30, that's too many, and 1 little bone left over. Whee! All right, so how many bowls are there? 2 bowls. How many bones left over? 1. 21. Number 11 says, read the clues. Write the number. Oh, I like these when they have clues. Emil has a number. His number has 5 groups of 10. So that's going to be 50-something. His number has less than 9 ones. What number could Emil have? Well, he could have 51. He could have 50, right? He could have 5 10s and 0 ones. He could have 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. He could not have 59 because it has to be less than 9. So he could go all the way up to 58. Any of those numbers he could have. All right, number 12. There are 5 bunches of grapes at the store and 3 left over. Each bunch has 10 grapes. How many grapes are there in all? Well, we're going to count by 10s 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then there's 3 left over, so that's 3 ones, 53. All right, it is time for you to do the homework on page 465 and 466. And when you're done, turn the video back on and we will check your answers. All right, again, we're counting by 10s and then adding in the leftover ones. So number 1 says count by 10s and 1s, write the number. So here we have 10, 20, and then we have 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 2 groups of 10, 4 left over for 24 in all. Number 2, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we have 41, 42. So we have 4 groups of 10, 2 left over for 42 in all. All right, look on the other side. Without the pictures now. What is 1 group of 10? So I'm going to put 1 in the 10s and 2 left over? 12. Number 4, 31 is how many groups of 10? There's the 3 in the 10s and 1 left over. 14 is 1 group of 10 and how many left over? There's the 110. How many left over? 4. 4 ones. Blank is 2 groups of 10. So I'm going to put a 2 in the 10s and 7 left over. What is our number? 27. Number 7. 10 beads fit on a bracelet. Ben has 34 beads in all. How many bracelets can he make with 10 beads on each? Draw a picture to show the bracelets he can make with his beads. Then draw the beads that will be left over. All right, well, my drawings are not beautiful, so I'm just going to draw a bracelet. There's 10, 20, 30. Can I draw another one? That would be 40. Nope, that'll be too many. So I made 3 bracelets. And then how many beads did I have left over? 31, 32, 33, 34. I had 4 beads left over. Number 8, how many groups of 10 are there in the number 38? How many left over? Tell how you know. Well, we have 3 in the 10s, so that's 3 10s for 10, 20, 30. And then how many are left over? 8 ones. So that will get us to 38, right? All right, so think about what leftover means. Those are the ones, aren't they? That's going to be our ones column when we're writing our numbers. All right, please take a picture and send it to your teacher and have a wonderful afternoon.